Serious question for you. Maybe somebody can help me out. Why is it that salespeople are still going out to greet customers and then bouncing them around car to car without bringing them in? This baffles the mind. You're out, you're showing the vehicle to a person, it's 35, it's 40, blah, 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 whatever it is. So after you have that time, guess what? They like the vehicle. They want to see it. But you know what? Don't have any keys. So now you have to leave them out there on the lot, go inside, find the keys, come back out. That's anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, and that's an eternity. So now you come back out, and if it's a hot day and you open up that car, boom, it's a sauna. And if it's a cold day and you unlock that car, guess what? It's an ice box. And so you never gave yourself an opportunity to set the stage. And in many times, salespeople really believe that that is the presentation portion, and that is really putting the cart in front of the horse. At the end of the day, a process is in place to be able to help you progress your prospect down the process pathway. Okay, that's what it's about. The only objective when you go out to greet somebody should be just that, to greet them and then to invite them inside, as opposed to bouncing them around car to car. Because let's just say you bounce them around car to car. You got to keep going back in, getting different sets of keys because you don't have all the keys on the lot in your pocket and you don't know what it is that they want. And every time you leave them, your credibility drops. You give them an opportunity to regroup, game plan to make it that much harder. And guess what? They're still close to their car where they could just drive off and leave. It just doesn't make sense. And it's all about working smart and hard. So make life easy on yourself. Greet them. Invite them in, sit them down, find out what's going on, because what they feel may be the best option for them based on your professionalism and your experience and your knowledge about what you offer there. There may be a better suited option that they may be interested in, but you don't know any of that if you don't communicate. And that's by sitting them down and listening, asking questions with the intent to understand versus with the intent to reply. Okay, ask questions and listen with the intent to understand versus the intent to reply. When I say listening with the intent to reply, it means before the person's last words out their mouth, the salesperson's already got diarrhea of the mouth talking. And so if you're talking, which means your mind was formulating that thought, you probably weren't listening very clearly. And that's that one little space might have dropped the jewel that could really have helped you better help them. So bring them in, sit them down, find out who they are. Don't just go out there just lot jumping and bumping, because I assure you, it takes away from the customer experience and it minimizes you finding out exactly what's going on and saving them time by making sure you put them on the best vehicle suited for them. Okay. Now, if you really have been learning from these videos, I have a short online automotive sales training video. Click the link in the description. Go over there and check it out. Doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of time. And if you see the information is powerful and you know that learning how to evolve each one of these steps will help you in your sales at your dealership and in your personal life, you'll have the opportunity to take advantage of that too at the very, very end. But please go over and check it out. Click the link in the description. Information is useless without experience, and that's what creates wisdom. So the information is available. You have the opportunity every day at your store, and guess what? You put those two together, that's what really creates success. So click the link on the description, like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the notification bell, and share the video. But more than anything else, continue to fill your mental Rolodex up with the tools to help you be more passionate, profitable, and successful. All right, Brian Maxwell, over and out. I look forward to seeing you at the dealership.
Does it feel like you are putting in the time at your dealership but not getting the results? Does it feel like you're digging yourself out of a hole every month? Automotive sales is a great career where you can have fun and make a lot of money. But why do so many fail? They fail because they were never taught how to sell. The internet has eliminated just lying to people. Today, successful selling requires skills that most salespeople have never been shown. Until now. If you're tired of stepping over dollars at your dealership to pick up dimes, I invite you to register for Brian Maxwell's free webinar, How to Dominate at the Dealership. Brian Maxwell trains top producing automotive sales professionals nationwide and knows what it takes to dominate at your dealership. In the event, you will receive Closing Secrets of Six-Figure Earning Automotive Sales Professionals, Fastest Way to be a 20 Vehicle a Month Producer, How to Earn $10,000 in 60 days, and much more. Register now and reserve your spot for this free power-packed presentation.